Wait! My puppy keeps looking up into the trees and wagging his tail. What is he staring at? Is it a bird, a butterfly, or something else? Let's explore the dog park and solve the mystery together. Wow! Look at this big tree. In English, we call it a tree. In Chinese,
树树树
in Japanese,
木木木
and in Spanish,
árbol árbol árbol
great job! Can you say tree in all 4 languages? My puppy keeps looking up, but we still don't know why. My puppy is thirsty after running. He needs some water. In English, water. In Chinese,
水水水
Japanese,
水水水
Spanish.
agua agua agua
You're getting so good at this. Glug, glug, glug. Ah, that was refreshing. But my puppy is still looking toward the trees. Phew, I'm a bit tired. Let's sit on the bench for a minute. Bench. In Chinese, we say
长椅长椅长椅
Japanese,
ベンチベンチベンチ
Spanish.
banco banco banco
Wow, you're a language superstar. Can you hear that little rustling sound? What could it be? Wait, look up there. It's a cute squirrel climbing the tree. Squirrel. In Chinese, it's
松鼠松鼠松鼠
Japanese,
リスリスリス
Spanish,
ardilla ardilla ardilla
Now I know why my puppy was so excited. He wasn't looking for a toy. He was watching the little squirrel climb up the tree. Woof, woof, squeak. They became curious friends from far away. Great job solving today's mystery. You were amazing. See you next time for another magical adventure on Luna Learns 4 Languages. Bye-bye.